Hey friends, I got a new package in the mail and I'm going to check this thing out. This company reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I would check out their fan. This is something I'm a fan of because I've had various models of these before, and either the plug-in was weird or it didn't last long enough, the batteries didn't last long enough, and some of the older ones had the big D-cell batteries and they just kind of petered out. But I've taken them camping in a car, I've taken them camping in a big tent, I've taken them inside of here when we're boondocking, but I've never found one that's really great for what I wanted to use it for. So I'm hoping this one changes that. This is the brand new F11, and it's Ogre or Ogre. I'm not sure which way to say the G there, but looks pretty good. It's got all kinds of functions on it, but we're going to get it unboxed here and check it out. Join me. All right, instructions here that everybody reads so thoroughly. Charging cable, so it's a USB-C on both ends, which I like. So faster, a little bit faster charging typically. And here's the fan itself. So it's pretty lightweight, 3 to 5 pounds, something like that. And it has a remote on the back. Little flat battery in here. This is the fan, and it has a myriad of functions. So the battery is charged up, it comes charged, which I appreciate. And this is the light, so there's a light right around this ring here. Multiple settings. So let's turn the fan on. So that's the high fan setting. Very quiet at the highest level. And there's the rotate around. Pretty good little breeze coming out of there. There's a timer function on here. You can set it up to run continuously until the battery dies, or 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hours. And that's here. And you have the angles so that it can go 30 degrees. And that does 30 degrees back and forth. 60 degrees, so a little bit of a wider arc. 90. And then 120 is the final fan span setting. It also tilts. And there's a night mode over here that turns on or off the lights on the front. And it has a hook on the bottom where you can hang it upside down. So inside a van, or inside the Airstream, or inside an RV, or inside your home, or inside a tent, things like that, you could have it turned on that way too. So that's a pretty cool feature. And again, it has a remote here. Turn on and off the light with a remote, fan speed up or down, night mode, timer, and you have the rotate function and power off. And I like you have the storage box back here. So it says an 18 watt max charging capacity for going power in, but this is a battery bank back here, so it also has a spot for out charging. So if you need to charge your phone or need to charge something else, you have a battery port here to charge whatever device with power going out. Just know that that's going to diminish your fan's capacity to run for a long time, so that's that. Let's check out the instructions, see if there's anything I'd missed. So it's a 20,000 milliamp battery, has a DC output, 3.1 amps at 5 volts, 2.2 amps at 9 volts, or 1.6 amps at 12 volts. Same with input, it can go 3 amps, 5 volts input, 2 amps at 9 volt input, or 1.5 amps at 12 volt input. This goes over charging and cleaning, and there's an instruction guide in here too, QR code. So I think it's a good little fan. It's something I really think is really fantastic for car camping, keeping the air flowing in there without running your car battery or van battery, whatever you got, or truck battery. I also think it's something nice for boondocking inside of one of these, or if you're at a picnic and just want some fan blowing around, you can rotate the fan back around. Or if you have one of those outside screen gazebo type things, I think it'd be nice to have in there because you can hang it from the ceiling. You can tilt it down and have it rotate around in there. So that's a pretty cool feature too. All in all, I think it's a neat product. I think it's something neat to have. Thank you very much to the company for sending this out to me to check it out. I will continue to check it out, and I'll see. I want to check this light out tonight and see how bright it actually is and how much room it can light up. And I'm going to go use it inside the rig here to see how I can feel the wind blowing around. If I just set it on the dinette, for example, or on the kitchen counter, to see if I can feel it over across the room. All right, let's go check out more features like that. All right, I've had the fan running for about 4 hours, and the battery percentage shows 75%. So it showed 100 for just a moment when I first unboxed it, and then it went directly to 75%. And 4 hours later, running at not the highest setting, but the second to highest setting, it's still at 75%. So I'm going to let it continue to run and see what transpires from there. All right, the fan has been running for 6.5 hours at 75%. Its battery is still showing 75%. So suffice to say, this thing is going to last quite a while running. When it gets dark out, I will check out the light functions and show you what that looks like too. Looks pretty bright. All in all, I've been very happy with the fan. I think it's a great addition to your camping needs if a fan is something you need. And again, I think a great use for it would be into one of those outside screened-in gazebo type things. You can hang it from the ceiling, have your night light on, or have a light on and have the fan blowing around, rotating around. I think it'd be great for that. So the link to it down below, and there'll be opportunities for discounts down below too. So make sure you check those out. Thank you again to the company for sending this out to me, and thanks for letting me review it. Have a great day, everybody.